Okay, hi guys, it's me Allison, and today we're gonna pop a balloon. And I'm first by sip. We're gonna get some scissors. Here we go, and I got the scissors, and we're gonna pop it to the balloon. And this is how you pop it. And this is how you pop a balloon. And I'm gonna play my balloon. Now my scissors. And now we gotta pop it like this. So it pops easily, like I did in the restroom when my mom was sleeping. And ready, set. That's the end. Bye, guys.